karon na si Pacquiao diri. Interview na to kung saan yung pagi. Maing udto diha Mr. Manny.
Ako yan.
Nga naman tong inyong away ni Musling, anong mo giti challenge nimo? Unsa may mga pangandam, anong unsa no pag-train?
Actually, now you know, I prepared that to this fight because Shane Mosley is a very difficult boxer because champion Shane Mosley. Actually, si Shane Mosley is a very friendly people. Also to despite Mosley is our training this PD coach Ross actually is very prepared that to our fight in Las Vegas. Thank you.
Nga naman, gini mo knock-out ba? Ano?
Actually, this coming third round. I have to super punch of the right and left. Sorry, have to neck down of the Shane Mosley. I have to thank you sa walang sawa sa pagsuporta sa bawat Pilipino. Sa laban na yun sa Presidente Ninoy Aquino. Actually, to pray that to this fight. Actually, I had to prepare that this coming November. Marquez to fight him on this fight. I hope to pray to pray around this November.
What is your plan, Manny? This humanaman ang fight nimo. Unsa may dali mong plano?
Actually, I have prepared a foundation to bring to the fore. Actually, we have to member the yellow of the Bugo City. I have prepared the yellow company. So the yellow glove to the brings to the fore the
fight. Do you wanna fight Mayweather?
Actually, Mayweather is a very gay people because you are Talawan then.
What can you say about
Pacquiao?
Oo, kanya mga fans si Manny ka, yan ang suporta niya.
What can you say about Mayweather?
Actually, Miss Mayweather is the next fight of the tapos namin lang laban namin ni Juan Manuel Marquez. Actually, the big fight is coming next year. We'll fight in Mayweather.
Unsay plano nimo nun sa ibong distrito?
Actually, there's a plan to bring to the poor, to help the poor, to help the mga poor nga people.
Nadiri ang asawa ni Manny, si Jinky.
Lockdown ko talaga si Muslim.
Salamat kayo Manny sa interview nga gihatag sa mga. Okay, back to you, Noli De Castro.